Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial I'm going to teach you a simple trick how you can see your current location in Google Maps, be it on mobile or in the web browser. So let's get started. Now guys, if you're using Google Maps on your mobile phone, it is actually super simple. All you need to do is tap on the blue arrow icon in the bottom right corner of your display. However guys, if you're accessing Google Maps through the web browser, there's also a simple trick you can apply to find your current location with one click. So all you need to do guys is click on that icon here in the bottom right corner of your screen, show your location, so left click on it, and in the following Google Maps will ask you for permission to access your current location. So you can either accept it or deny it, and if you give Google Maps the permission to show your current location, Google Maps will automatically redirect you to your current location in your Google Maps. Now for privacy reasons, I'm not going to do that, but you can do that anytime guys using Google Maps in the web browser. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.